warehouse, subdivision, or someplace. Yeah, how's it going, Abby? We had one of our trucks deliver the past week there, and we want to make sure that we don't have any issues. We're they just passed a new law that said they could start shipping dried monkey meat, like beef jerky meat. I think the first one is Chama baboon, Guinea baboon, yellow
Okay,
baboon.
well, you didn't deliver here to Washington State Surplus. Like, we don't accept monkey meat. I guess I'm unclear as to what your question is or what it has to do with that.
We may have misdelivered there.
Oh,
Yeah, there, you might have a bunch of monkey jerky over there. It just became legal to sell monkey meat, so everybody's starting to buy it in every form now.
okay. Let me put you on hold and call back and see if we got the misdelivery.
They're just like,
Are you with a shipping company?
yeah, you can, if you think you need to cut a box open, just, shipping and receiving, yeah. There should be a pearls underneath in ink, blue ink, and 00269 on the boxes.
269. Okay. Let me call back and see what I can do.
Okay, thank you.